Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Emaro Baziakwa, and in today's video I will be teaching you how you can make money online from the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, or anywhere around the world with an app called Voxpopme. So all you do is they ask you question on the app and you give a video response and you get paid. So you get paid directly to your PayPal account. So if you don't have a PayPal account, I created a video on how to open a PayPal account. The video is on my channel, you can see it. I'll drop a link in the description below on how to open a PayPal account. Don't worry, if you're in a country where you are restricted, well, PayPal restricts you, I made a video also on how to open a PayPal account that sends and receives funds from anywhere in the world. Just check the link in the description below and get your PayPal account ready, because it is this PayPal account that you will use to get paid on this app called Voxpopme. So this is just to let you know that this is real, and Voxpopme is an app that has been in existence for a while. So if it is a fake company, they would have gone offline in a year or two. So I've been doing Voxpopme since I've been on Voxpopme since 2019, early 2019. So as you can see, hello Aquatech, I was paid $16 sometime last year in October 12. I use this app as a side hustle, and for some people they use it as a full-time hustle. You can make as much as $100 per day on this app. So if you stick with me to the end of this video, I'll teach you how you can maximize your output, maximize your income on this app. So stick with me while we carry on. So first thing you are going to do, if you are from the United States, the UK, or the Australia, all you need to do is just to click on the link in the description. I dropped the link in the description below. It's an affiliate link to the app. All you need is just to install the app. Once you install the app, then everything else I will explain it in the next few minutes. So once you click on the link, it takes you to this particular website. This is the official website. Please ensure that you click on the link to take you directly to the official website. And on this official website, this is where you can get the app. You can get it on Google Play or download on the App Store. So you click on, if you're using an Android or whatever type of Android you are using, you can just click on get it on Google Play. And if you're using an iOS device, you download on the App Store. So it takes me to my Google Play, and here I am. This is the app, the real app. This is the real app. If you go to Google Play directly and you search for Voxpopme, this is why you need to follow the website, go through the website. If you click and search for Voxpopme, you can see Voxpopme Moments, see Voxpopme Offline. Those are not the real app. Do you get me? Those are not the real app. So through this website, when you click on get it on Google Play or download on the App Store, to take you directly to the real app. And don't mind this app is incompatible notification that I'm getting. So this is the real app. Once you get to the real app, you open. Once you install, you click on open. Once you open, it takes you to app interface. You can sign up with Facebook, you can sign up or log in. So click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, you enter your full name. For me, I put Chris Aqua, and your email address. You can use aquastudio@gmail.com. So you enter your password. So once you enter your password, you put in your date of birth. Once you put in your date of birth, select gender, then select country, United States, United Kingdom, New Zealand, or Australia. So you can choose any of these. So once you do that, you click on continue. So once you input your details, you can just click continue. So if you are not in the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, or New Zealand, the way you can access this app is by using VPN. By using a VPN. Currently I use Turbo VPN. You can easily get Turbo VPN on Play Store. Just go to Play Store and search for Turbo VPN. So once you search for Turbo VPN, this is Turbo VPN. You can click on it and install. There are lots of VPNs here. There are a lot of VPNs here that you can use. But for me, I use Turbo VPN. Sometimes I use Windscribe. I've used Nord, but currently I use Turbo VPN. So once you connect, once you download, once you install the VPN, you come here and you connect to VPN. Okay, it's playing an ad. I have to wait. Cancel. As you can see, I'm already connected to the United Kingdom. So you see this top right corner, you see a world icon, the globe icon. So you click on it. There are free locations here and there are premium locations here. So I'm connected to United Kingdom. You can connect to United States if you are connecting to New York or you are connecting to San Francisco. Ensure that this New York or San Francisco you are connected to is the location you put in when registering on Voxpopme app. So I connected to United Kingdom. I'm already connected. Let me go back to the Voxpopme registration. So as you can see, my country is United Kingdom. Then click on continue. So once that's when you've done everything. So once you click on continue, it loads. So you see, you read the terms and conditions. Ensure that you read the terms and conditions so you can know if it is best for you. Now, once you finish reading it, once you complete reading it, you click on agree. So it creates the profile for you and it authorizes. So boom, we are already in the app. So to start with, you click on answer question. So as you can see, these are video responses. So you click on this first video response and all you need to do is just make a video that is not less than 15 seconds long, 15 seconds, and you are okay. So you click on start task. So you allow. If you look at the question details, they are asking, would like to know where you heard about the app and what are your first impressions of the app. So please ensure we can clearly see you when giving your response and speak for a minimum of 15 seconds. So you allow all the allowable, then you start task. So this is my face. Ensure that wherever you are doing recording the video, it is well lit. So there's enough lighting. Don't shake your head. Ensure you are putting on a cloth. So they're asking me where I got to know about Voxpopme app. So what I do is to explain in 15 seconds how I got to know the Voxpopme app. So I click on record. Hello, I learned about Voxpopme app online and I learned that I can make money online. Okay, I'm getting the camera exception here. getting a camera exception here. Let me stop the video. Okay. So there's a problem here. Let me go back. Okay. I'll restart the task. So in 15 seconds, I just need to record what I need to know. So as I'm getting the camera exception here, what I need to do is just go back, go to settings, go to camera settings, and turn on the use camera compatibility mode. Once it's on, I go back to the app, I go back to questions, I click on the video response. What did you hear about Voxpopme? Then I start task again, and I allow, and I record my video. So put it back to my front camera, right? So ensure that the camera is still, it is well lit, and your voice is sounding nice. Hello, I got to know about Voxpopme from a friend. They told me I can earn money online by recording my video and by giving video responses. So that's it. So once you respond to the video like that, they take you to a particular part where you can upload your video. Oh, sorry about that. So you start task. Once you start your task, click on start task, then you click on record. Hello, I got to know about Voxpopme App from a friend. They told me I can get paid while recording my video, and they told me I can drop video responses and get paid. So I said I should give this a try. So once you do this, you upload the video, and once it is accepted, they pay you your money. So any type of question they ask, once you record your video and you send or upload it and it is accepted, you get paid. So that's how it works. So that is how it works. So like I said I was going to give you a tip on how to maximize your income on this app. Now if you want to maximize your income, you can use the referral part of this app. You can use the referral part of this app. So you click on invite. So you click on invite friends, and once you click on invite friends, you can share your link through Instagram. You can share your link on social media, and you can do one-on-one marketing to people. You can copy the link to clipboard and start sharing to everybody. So once someone starts using once someone uses your link and they record their first video, you are going to be getting £1 for this. You are going to be getting £1 for this. And if you are from the United States, you register with a United States location, you are going to be getting $1 per referral. You are going to be getting $1 per referral. So if you are registering, if people connect to Voxpopme with your app, if like 10 people connect, that means you are going to be getting $10. If it is 100 people, that means you are going to be getting $100. So that's how you earn money on Voxpopme, by just uploading your video response. So I just created this account. I don't plan to use it. I don't plan to use this account. I just created it just for the purpose of education. So, and like I said, I've been paid multiple times on this app. If you are not in the US, the UK, Australia, or New Zealand, please ensure that you are using a VPN, and the location you connect your VPN to, that is the location you should put in when registering on this app. So this is my email. As you can see, $16. I use this as side hustle, not a main hustle. So this is another payment of $15.65.
Another payment of 16 points. Let me quickly go to my order email. Sorry, I might need to pause this video. Welcome back. I'm now in my order email. I'm searching for Voxpopme to let you know. Okay, as you can see, this is another payment, $15 on in 2019. Those are the payment I showed you in 2020, 2019, $15. Let me open it so you can see. So this is not a scam or anything, and my payment proof are not doctored. So that's one payment. Is another payment on the 4th of March 2019. As you can see, these are not doctored. So these are another payment. Yeah, these are another payment in February 8th. February 8th, yes. February 8th, $17.15. So this really works. Then you need to put in a lot of work if you want to really make money out of this. By inviting people, can get more with referral. You can also get paid when you upload your videos, but if you want to really get paid faster, you need to refer people. You can refer as much as 100 people in a day, and you're going to be getting $100. The minimum threshold for withdrawal, if you are registering from the US, is $15. If you are registering from the United Kingdom, it is £10. That's the minimum withdrawal, and you can easily get to this threshold fast with referrals. So as you can see, and they pay you in less than 72 hours. Look at this. When I requested for payment, that's around that's around February 7. I requested for payment. As you can see, this is my name, Emmanuel Bazi. I requested for payments, and the payments came in on the 8th of February, yeah. As you can see. So this is not a wax, or this is not scam. They've been online for a very long time now. So, and like I said, this payment is received by PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, kindly create one. And if you are from a region where PayPal do not allow you to receive funds, I've made a video on how you can open a PayPal account that can send and receive funds from anywhere, whether you're from the Philippines, you're from Ghana, you're from Nigeria, you're from Bangladesh, or anywhere in the world. This method works. So guys, if this video has really helped out, please don't forget to like this video and share to friends. Click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification button, so whenever I drop videos on how to make money online, you'll be the first to get this video. So guys, thank you very much for staying with me to the end of this video. I really appreciate, and have a great day ahead.